YouTube, Facebook. Got my new Workhorse vacuum here. I have already emptied this. This is just the last, hallway and a couple of rooms here that I just cleaned. Just wanted to give you all a short little video showing how that's working out for me. It's a good vacuum, so satisfied so far. Thanks.